Hello friends, welcome to lmsdaily.com. In today's episode, we will see the new AI-based design tool which is named as Microsoft Designer. You can see this design on the screen. This is created within 30 seconds. So I will just show you how you can create beautiful and stunning designs in Microsoft Designer and how you can use the Microsoft Designer tool for your online classroom. So let us get started. You can access the Microsoft Designer tool by going to the link which is mentioned on the bottom part of the window right now, or you can type in designer.microsoft.com. So you will land up on this page, and now it is out of preview mode, so you can create any features which is available here on the Microsoft Designer tool. All you need is a Microsoft account to log into this Microsoft Design tool. So I will just show you how you can create stunning designs using this designer tool. In order to get started, just click on this try designer for free button here on the top right corner, and then click on sign up or sign in with the Microsoft account. So if you don't have any Microsoft account till now, you can also sign up for a new account here. So I will just sign in with my account. So now I'm signed in to this tool, and you can see that now we will land up on the designer page. Here you can start creating your own design within no time. On the left hand side of the screen, you can see a prompt named describe the design you would like to create. So in this field, you need to mention your command to this AI based tool. On the right hand side, you can see already created designs, and once you hover on any of the design, you can see the prompt which is used to create this design. So you can easily get some inspiration to create new designs for you. So let me say that I would like to create a poster for my primary school students, and I would like to create a poster on back to school. So I will just go onto this prompt area and I will paste in my command here. You can also add your own image here, or you can also generate image using the AI tool, but let us skip those two parts as of now, and let us click on this generate button here. So it will take a couple of seconds until it will come up with some stunning designs. So as you can see, wow, these designs look so beautiful. So you can just use any of the design if you like. If you don't like anything, you can again click this generate button and it will create more designs. On the top right here, you can select the designs. If you like an Instagram post which is square in size, you can choose this, and if you would like the poster to be in the landscape format, you can choose this, or if you'd like to have in the portrait format, you can use this. So there are different size options available. If you don't like any of the designs here, you can just click on this button to start from a blank canvas and create your own design. But let us choose, let me say that I would like to go ahead with this design, and you can also take a preview by clicking this magnifying glass here. So let us proceed with this design here, and you can directly download this design as it is, or if you'd like to customize this further, you can click on this customize design button here. So let us jumpstart and customize this. So now you can see that this design looks pretty awesome to me for getting started, and I'm not a designer, so I don't see any major changes to be required in this one. And if you notice on this screen, you have a lot of tools available to customize this design. You have the templates here, and I will just show you what templates are available. So here are different templates available. You can choose anyone. You can also upload your own media files here by going to this my media, and you can either upload from your own device, or you can also choose to upload from any of the online repositories like the Google Drive or OneDrive or anyone else. You also have the options of different visual shapes, like you can choose different images, you can choose different shapes, you can choose any videos or any other photographs available here. You can also filter them out here based on the tabs. Then you have the option to add different type of text here, and you can add kind of headings, subheadings, and the body text, and you can also choose these kind of templates which is already created here. You can also create your own brand kit for further designs, so that you will have a common design pattern among all your designs. So you can just go to this brand kit tab and create your own brand kit. On the right hand side, you will see the Microsoft Copilot tool, which is giving us the ideas to further modify this design. So if I will just give it a scroll to the bottom, so you can see that there are other stunning designs created by this tool. So if you would like to change this design, you can choose any other design. Let me say that I would like to go to this design. So it looks okay, not very good like the previous one. So I will just click the Control Z button so that it will revert back to the previous one. Now on this canvas, you can also edit the images here, or you can add the text here. Now whatever element you select here, you will have the toolbar on the top to manage that specific element. Now as you can see that I can replace this image, and I can also crop this image. So you can also have the effects, or you can also detach the background. So this image is currently the background of the design, so I will just first click on this detach background, and as you can see, now we have this image here, and I will just try to put it in the center of the canvas here, and I will just adjust it to the corners. Now as you have noticed that our text is hidden behind this image, so what I have to do is I have to arrange the layers. So on this toolbar, you need to just find out this position button and then click on send to backward. So now you can see that our text is here. On the top side, you can also choose any other options. Let me say that I would like to use some students, and I will just go here and I will choose students. And as you can see, it has given me a lot of options of different images and different graphics. So let me say that I would like to use this image as the background for my design. So I just click on this image and it has been added to my project, and to click right click and then click on set as background. So now the image has been added as the background for this design. So if you have noticed that the Copilot has updated the design here, and you can just check out any of these design if you would like to replace these with the current one. So I think this one looks pretty cool to me. I will just try this one if it is better than the previous one. Yep, it seems better than the previous one, but let me keep the previous one for the sake of this demonstration. So now we are back to the same position, and similarly you can also manage the text here. You can the text here, and on the top toolbar you will see the different options for managing the text. The first one is to manage the color of the text, so you can choose different colors for this text. And on the next one, you can change the font type, you can change the font size, and you can have different tools for formatting your text. You can also use this inspire me button to create a different AI based text design on this page. So let me try this one once. And as you can see that the text has been updated. So you can try this out if you would like, then you can keep this text in the current format. And there is another tool on the top side which is called as the opacity tool. So you can use it to make your elements transparent or opaque. So I will just try to show you how it behaves. So it seems now I am done with my design. So you have the options to further either download this design, or you can also directly share it to your social media channels. So first I will show you how you can download it, and then how you can upload it to your social media channels. So after completing your design here, you need to go to this download button here and then choose the file type. There are 3 file types available here. You can download the design in PNG format, or you can also download the design in the JPEG format. You can also use that in the PDF file. So whatever format you need, just select that and click on this download button here. On the bottom side, you can see that you have the option for using AI for captions and hashtags. So it saves a lot of time for the persons who are creating content for the social media marketing. So you need to connect your Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn accounts here, and then you can choose them to post the design directly. The Microsoft Designer tool will help you to create the captions for the design, as well as writing the hashtags for all the different platforms. So this is how you can create stunning designs in the Microsoft Designer tool, right, in few seconds. And you will not need a competent designer to create your basic designs. And once you are done, then you can just go to this designer page, and you can go to this My Designs tab, wherein you will see all the designs you have created using this Microsoft Designer tool. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.